Come take a nap. Nap. Lay down.
Lost the handle off that basket. Well, dump it off. Lost the handle off that basket. Well, dump it out. Voila.
Hello there. My name's Sherry, and you've entered the weird realm of cooking videos on YouTube. And this is my cat Duncan. He's very excited about this. And these are gluten-free, dairy-free, banana, peanut butter, oatmeal, snacks, or muffins, whichever you want to call them. So let's get to making them, shall we? 4 cups of old-fashioned oats. 1/4 cup of coconut sugar, or you could use brown sugar. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. 1½ teaspoon of ground cinnamon. 1/2 cup of peanut butter, chunky or smooth. 2 teaspoons vanilla extract. 1/3 cup of maple syrup. 2 1/3 cups of unsweetened almond milk. 2 large bananas, mashed.
Sort of woman's liberation and, I mean, everything like that. If you're not going to be ready to fail, you're not going to learn how to cook.
Hello. We made it to the end of this video. These are super good. Try them out. I'm not a chef or anything by any means, but I do like to eat, and you know, I like making videos too. So I plan on making some more of these. If you're interested, please subscribe. Although it's probably just my mother and my grandmother watching this right now. So hi Mom, hi Grandma, subscribe. Maybe my sister too. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this, and maybe I'll see you again. Okay, bye. Welcome, Duncan. Welcome to this week. Stop.